Hi, I'm Ashley from Camera Casino, and today I'm going to be telling you about the new ProMaster Prime variable ND filters. Now, neutral density filters are useful when you do a lot of long shutter exposures or if you shoot outside where the lighting is very bright. This helps cut back on the amount of light coming into your camera, so you have a little bit more control over the settings that you're using. So these are similar to the other ProMaster ND filters in that you still have the high quality glass, anti-scratch, anti-glare. It has the Repellomax that we all know and love for dust and fingerprints, but they added a couple other new features to these Prime ND filters. So as you're spinning the filter around, it does have hard stops on the minimum and maximum values, so that's really nice to have now. They've also added this little control knob on the top, so you can see through your viewfinder while you're adjusting it. You don't have to leave the back of your camera, so that's really handy. Also, they've added a little X mark on the side here for cross polarization warning, because no matter what ND filter you have, you always have the risk of getting the little cross patterns in your images, and that just kind of warns you when you're getting into that area. So that is a really helpful little handy feature that they added here. So if you do a lot of nature photography, waterfalls, star trails, or if you do video work and you want to work at wider apertures, these ND filters are for you.